Battery replacement for DLINK DNS-325 Shear Center NAS. Start by removing the front cover in preparation for hard drive removal. Remove the hard drives. Just pull them out and don't forget to make a note which drive is in which bay. These 4 screws at the front can be left as they are, no need to open this part here. At the back, there are 4 screws under rubber rectangles. Remove those and open the screws. That will expose the back of the NAS. There are yet 4 even smaller screws to be removed. Remove those 4 and now you have access to the NAS motherboard. Just pull the back out from the casing. The battery is visible on the bottom side. The battery is somewhat difficult to remove without proper tool. Screwdriver definitely is not the most suitable, but got the job done. I used Duracell 307-357 Silver Oxide battery, which you need some effort to find one. The original battery was Maxell 44 liters, which is widely available everywhere. The Duracell has 50% more capacity than the Maxell.